Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have an iPhone 17 and iOS up to date. Now start by enabling dynamic island and haptics so you feel confirmations. Open the app you want to display, music, timers, or navigation, and bring it to the foreground. Once done, glance at the island to confirm it reacts. If it expands, you're set. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off so background alerts can reach the island. Tap the nearby screen edge to wake the display, and proceed to interact with the island. Now you'll learn the controls. Tap the dynamic island once for quick info, song title, timer countdown, or incoming call. If you need more, press and hold to expand it into full controls. This reveals play, pause, or call actions. Swipe left or right on the expanded pill to dismiss or reveal secondary actions, and if two apps are active, the island shows paired pills. Tap the smaller one to switch focus. Practice these gestures until they feel natural and responsive. To finish, close the app or use the island's controls to stop activity. The island returns to idle automatically. If it won't respond, restart your iPhone 17. That clears transient bugs. Make sure background app refresh and notifications are permitted for apps that should use the island. If issues persist, toggle dynamic island-related notification options in settings and test again. One key tip: restart before deeper resets. Most responsive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.